Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a button in Canva. So there are two ways that you can do this. And the first way, what we're going to do is we're going to come over to the left side, click on this T button that says text, and we're going to press add a heading. So what we're going to do is we're just going to write press me, and this is going to be our button. So you can come up to the top, you can change it to the font that you want, change the size, change the color, and then we're going to come up and press effects. We're going to come on down to where it says background, and as you can see, we have now got this background appear. So you can then edit the roundness, so if you want it really round or if you want it a bit more square, and you can also increase or decrease the spread as well, and if you wanted to reduce the transparency, you can do. And what's great is you can move that around and that all stays together. And if you right click on it and then press on link, you can then add any links that you want to be attached with this button. And then the next way that we're going to do this is we're going to come over to the left hand side again, and we're going to scroll up for elements, type in shapes, and then you want to pick a shape that you like. So I'm going to go for this star here. So amazing. And then I'm going to type in press me. And that's our second button there. So you can come up and you can change the color if you want to. You can change the outline. So if you want to add a border, you can do. And you can also press this button here for corner roundings if you're wanting a sort of softer shape. That's no problem. And then if you want to right click, and then you can press on link, and again you can add any links that you want to this button. So that's it guys. I hope that this video was useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Thanks guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.